Supplements that will support your blood sugar control. These are useful, but they don't fix the problem on their own. Supplements don't reverse diabetes on their own. Type 2 diabetes happens because your cells stop responding properly to insulin. That's insulin resistance. Supplements matter because they support how your body responds to your insulin at the cellular level. A simple place to start is magnesium. Magnesium helps insulin communicate with your cells. When levels are low, the signal becomes weaker and blood sugar becomes harder to control. Another one is chromium. Chromium helps to strengthen that insulin signal so your cells respond more effectively. And zinc also plays a role, supporting insulin production and release. Use these as part of a bigger strategy, not a quick fix. If you want to understand what actually improves insulin resistance, not just manage numbers, follow for real root cause solutions.